नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 5th November 2020. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan and review its results. In this video, I will disclose about my today's trade and talk about trade plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for 6th of November 2020. Today, my trade plan uh, was to buy Nifty at dip in the range of 11,860 or 11,812. But with action what we have in the global market last night and the US election result, Nifty gapped up and gapped up very well above very strong resistance of 12,025, which is the last month high, and the monthly resistance of 12,015. With this gap up, Nifty has now entered into absolutely new territory. My trade setup is very simple, which is based on a Camarilla pivot weekly, monthly, and some magic lines. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then I request you to watch my video on trade setup. The link in description box at the end of the video. Today, since Nifty did not fall in my lap, I did not take any trade. So I would like to be a defensive trader. And since Nifty opened up and then never came down, almost there was no trade to be taken here. So today in Nifty, I did not take any trade. Now for tomorrow, uh, if we look into daily chart, definitely the trend is up. It is above 200, above 50, above 8, and above 20 day. But one thing to be cautious here is that Nifty is looking absolutely overstretched. So 200 day moving average is around 10,700, and today we close at around 12,120. So this is something which we always have to remember at the back of our mind. And the all-time high is 12,400. So it all we have to be very cautious now onwards on how to trade on Nifty, because there is a very good chance that market will like to come back to test 200. Although the strong now market has a very strong support at 12,025 and 12,015. So this monthly resistance will now act as a very strong support, and this will be a very strong support to break. So for me, my strategy is, or my view is, that till the time market is holding 12,025 and 12,015, it is buy on dip. And let's see whether it touches the all-time high and continues to move ahead, or eventually it will crash. But now 12,025 becomes a key level to watch out. So when we look into 15-minute chart of Nifty, what we see here is that Nifty had a very big gap up and then almost didn't have any move the whole day. So there was no trade to be taken here. This is out of syllabus for me. Now for tomorrow, uh, the view is again buy on dip with a stop loss of 12,015, and support what we have is 12,092 and 12,063. So any zone of 12,092, 12,063 is a buy. 12,092. So somewhere here, 12,092 and 12,062. Yes, 12,092, 12,063. So this is the zone in which I will look for a Nifty to come and buy, or lower than this somewhere here. So it all depends upon how the US election news is shaping up and how the global market is playing off. But I'm not going to short the market. I will look for a market to correct and come either in this zone and then move up, or if it corrects more, then I'm expecting a reversal at least from this zone and move up. So buying zone is 12062 to 12091, and the target for tomorrow is 12150 to 12177. So 12150, 12177. Yeah, that's the plan for Nifty tomorrow. Buy in the zone of 12060 to 12090 with a target of 12180. Now let's have a look into Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty again, very strong. Also above last month high and this month resistance. Again looking little overstretched like Nifty, but the momentum is very strong. On 15-minute chart, again for today the plan was to buy on dip. It kept up and never came down. So for me again this was out of syllabus and I did not take any trade. For Bank Nifty, again I will maintain my view of upside trend with a strategy of buy on dip. Let's see what camera supports we are getting. So for Bank Nifty, the buying zone is 26108. 26108. $26,108. 26108. And 26207. Somewhere here. So just about 20-day moving average. So this is the buying zone, and target for Bank Nifty is 26,400 to 26,500. This zone. Looks like a very narrow day, but let's see. Nowadays the market is absolutely driven by US election, and it seems like US election is gonna be extremely tight. Um, so let's see how the global market reacts tonight, and where Bank Nifty opens. But no point of shorting Nifty or Bank Nifty. Idea is view is uptrend. In Bank Nifty, the view will change only after Bank Nifty will come below this zone, which is 24,880 and 24,809. So that's where we have 200-day moving average also. So this is a very strong support now, 24,809 and 24,880. I'm pretty sure even if the Bank Nifty corrects, it will have some reversal from this side and then it will go up. So if by any chance if I get a Bank Nifty in this zone, then I'm gonna enter position. I will realize over a period of time that if you genuinely want to make good money, then intraday trade does not offer that kind of opportunity. The real big money is made on swing trade. So that's something which I need to develop on. So thank you very much. If you feel that this discussion has added any value to your trade setup or your trading strategy for tomorrow, then please like my video. Do subscribe to my channel. Please put your comments for my trade plan. It will really motivate me. And uh, have fun. Jai Hind.